Hello everyone, this is the React Native Beginner series. In this video I want to show you how to use the activity indicator or loader. So while we are hitting the API or doing some other tasks, so it take a time, so for that we need to show the loader. So for that purposes we are using the activity indicator. So let's start with the practical. So just come to your project. I remove all the things, and first I will say justify content center, because I need to show it in the center. Activity indicator imported from the React Native. So see, it's showing so small, so we have some props size, and we need a large, and also color, we need a red. And so see, now we have another prop also. So like when you are pressing the button or we are calling the API, the activity indicators should show when we get the response, or we want to hide our activity indicator. So for that we need a state like a const is loader set loader set is loader. By default we take a false value, and just take your activity indicator here, and just I'm creating the touchable. I'm creating the button with the text active. So just come here on press and pass your set loader, and the value of the set loader is loader. We need to false the value. So just we need a style also for the button. Style, align item center, and order with 1. So it show margin top 20, and also we need a padding, also padding 12, and margin horizontal 20, and border radius also 20. So this is our button. So see, when you are pressing the button, so activity indicator will be start. When you are pressing the button, the activity indicator will be hide. So we haven't passed in the activity indicator this, so animate it, or just pass the is loader value. So we are pressing it show, when you are clicking it's hide. So this is the activity indicator in React Native. So hope you learn something from this video. For the next video, see you and bye bye.